land of 1,000 lakes. It's also the land of the sauna. This North European country has in fact more saunas than cars. 1.5 million for 5 million inhabitants. Kai Jentala is the proud owner of a small sauna in the suburbs of Heinola, a small town 150 kilometers north of Helsinki, the capital. And it's at Heinola that every year the World Sauna Championships are held. A world championship that basically draws Finns and Swedes. A total of 70 competitors, both men and women. The rule is simple. The winner is the person who stays longest in the competition sauna. It all seems easy until you see the little detail that makes all the difference. Every 30 seconds they throw half a litre of cold water into the smoking stones. Within minutes, the heat reaches 100 degrees centigrade. Burns and suffocation are guaranteed. The least hardy stumble out within a few minutes, a little cold water, and gradually they recover. Kimmo Turunen has come from the neighbouring town of Lahti with his wife, children, sponsors and supporters. Kimmo's hard. Like all the Finns, he's been using saunas since he was a boy. Heat doesn't frighten him, and the competition needs to be on the lookout. But before he does that, the women go first. 12 competitors in groups of 6 in the semi-final. Among them is Katri Kamarainen, who also has her supporters. The same rules apply to the women as to the men. Everything goes well for Katri, who finishes first, with great cheering from her mother and sisters. Now it's Kai Jentala's turn to show what he's made of. He won his first heat and is in the semi-final.
Tsemppiä kaikille! Rupeeko lämmittää?
Puhumalla pyytävät käsimerkkejä, että kaikki kuume nousee.
Olis siellä ollut jo?
Pitää vissiin helpompi seurata siitä etuja.
After 10 minutes in the sauna, he's still smiling.
Tästä on vaan taas pahempi kuin...
Kilpailijoiden on vastattava tuo kysymyksiin.
Pierre has become a marine, but the native of the town finishes first, to the cheers of the crowd.
Oli aika vaikea, kuumuus lisääntyi ja happi loppui. Ei saanut hengitettyä oikein hyvin lopussa, mutta kuitenkin jaksoin sinnitellä, että tässä nyt oli tämä finaalipaikka, että siellä tulee vasta ne tosimiehet siellä finaalissa, että en odota yhtään mitään. Että tämä oli, itselleni tämä oli täysin yllätys, että pääsin edes finaaleihin asti.
Kimmo easily qualified in the semi-final. The judge reminds them again of the rules, which are strict. The competitors have to remain seated, back straight, arms the length of their bodies. Under no circumstances can they look to protect their faces. Kimmo is more competitive than ever. And as the heat rises, so does the pressure.
Aina sitten täytyy huolissaan omasta miehestä vähän olla, mutta tällaisia ne on nämä suomalaiset. Vähän on suomalaista hulluutta.
The never-ending production of steam in the sauna reduces the amount of oxygen. The atmosphere becomes suffocating. Kimmo holds on despite the advice of the doctors. He has to be taken out forcibly and given breathing apparatus. For him, the competition's over.
Ja tosiaan Kymijoen rantaan, mikä sen mukavempaa kukaan mitkä maisemat ja ihmiset ilman muuta, kaikilla on siellä hyvä.
Ladies first. After 10 minutes and 10 seconds, Katri emerges from the steam pack.
Olin aika varma, että en niinkään ajatellut, että on kilpailussa, vaan olen saunomassa.
The men's final is the highlight of the day. The organisers are worried. The state that Kimmo got into is not unusual. Kai Jentala has reached his limit. He comes out after 20 minutes and 20 seconds, physically marked by his experience. He only finishes second this year. There's no money in it either for him or the winners, fortunately. Just the crowd's admiration.